You ever heard that hurt and pain brings out the best of us? Well, this May 7, 2022, American Gospel Explosion 2022 is going down. Y'all already know the pain and the hurt that we done been through. We gonna let it explode. Gospel Explosion 2022. Make sure y'all sign up.
Never said out the words, I just feel unstoppable. The words that coming out my mouth is just logical. You know it. Being the iron in the fire, some say how that's possible. So I freestyle this verse, that's something young Dolph to do. Are you hard or lukewarm? Yeah, I know a few verses too. A jack of all trades, what I'm supposed to do. It's subsidizing the income, it threw me back a few. So I just laid in the cut till I turned 52. Gospel hip hop, crown me 1 or 2. I'm the third wheel, and I'm still the passenger. I'm just feeling unstoppable. All I can do is give it to God. He stays so true. American Gospel, red, white, and blue. American Gospel, red, white, and blue.
Mothers gon' cry and clap their hands in prayer. Voice to the sky, tears in eyes cause a baby not here. How many gon' rot in the cell because they think that street shit made them a man, but that image they claiming is ignorant. It's been prophesized that man to kill man, but man do understand it takes a man to fertilize the land. I ain't no hero, just an everyday Joe, but the teachers start from within. You water seeds and you want flowers to grow. I don't cuff, I just pass them notes. With recipes to feed the spirit, heal the soul, and help the mental child grow. Can't keep playing victim, show your faith and get off your knees. You wanted to stop, up your balls and put them boots in the streets. We ain't got no problem gunning each other, but we'll fight for each other. That's a syndrome, man, I don't understand. Dolph gone, now it's war in the streets, because the one that made a change to make change no longer breathe. You ain't no hero, you been stunned like the man of steel. To take that one up under you and you tell him what's real. We unstoppable, but cooning and capping for too long. Let's try to show him what's right and truly put the cape on.